Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you the Tonor T20 boom arm setup. First, let's get the C-clamp securely mounted. Find a sturdy desk edge, up to 2 inches thick, and tighten the clamp firmly. This provides a stable foundation for your microphone. Next, insert the boom arm's metal base into the clamp's designated hole. Make sure it's seated properly so the arm can pivot smoothly. This initial step is crucial for a reliable setup. Now, let's attach your microphone. The Tonor T20 boom arm comes with a standard 5/8-inch screw adapter. Simply twist your microphone clip or shock mount onto this thread until it's snug. Then, carefully place your microphone into the mount. Double-check that it's held firmly and oriented correctly for optimal sound capture. This step ensures your microphone is ready for action. Effective cable management is key for a clean setup. Route your microphone cable along the boom arm's length, using the 3 included Velcro straps to keep it tidy and out of the way. This prevents tangles and reduces noise. Next, adjust the arm to your preferred height and distance, ensuring the microphone is perfectly positioned. Once set, tighten the arm's adjustment knobs to lock it firmly in place. Before you start recording, perform a few final checks. Gently test the boom arm's stability and the microphone's reach to ensure it meets your needs. Confirm all connections, from the clamp to the microphone mount, are secure. Speak into your microphone to verify audio levels and clarity. Remember, the Tonor T20 supports microphones weighing up to 3.5 pounds, offering excellent versatility for your audio setup.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.